What's the meaning of backmost? Backmost. Backmost.
Backmost. Backmost. The word backmost is an adjective that describes something located farthest in the back or rear. It is often used to describe a physical position or placement, as in the backmost seat in a theater or the backmost row of a classroom. The word can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is the final or ultimate version, such as the backmost chapter of a book or the backmost step in a process. While not a common word in everyday speech, backmost can add precision and specificity to descriptions and conversations that require clarity around physical positions or order.